Hi, kindergarten. We're back to talk more about fractions today. Okay, so yesterday, my kids saw me cut up that half of a sandwich for Mr. Bacon, and now all 3 other people in my family want a piece of a sandwich. So there will be 4 of us eating these pieces of a sandwich. So I'm going to see if I can cut this sandwich into 4 even, equal pieces. Let's see. Beatrice, you want to try to cut yours up into 4 equal pieces too?
Yes.
Okay. All right. 1, here's 2, here's 3, here's 4. Oops. Okay, let's see. Here's my 4. Do these look like even? That's okay. Do these look like even pieces? No? All right, let me try again. Okay. I know. Here, let's see. I'm going to cut it like...
Oh, what's happening with that?
The higher voltage on that?
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Do these look about even? Let me see. If I stack them up, yesterday we learned that if you stack up your equal halves, then they stack together, they are equal. If I stack these 4 pieces up, maybe they will be equal too. Okay, so Beatrice and I both cut our sandwiches into 4 pieces, and we were trying to make sure they were 4 equal pieces. All right, Bea, you want to hold up some of your pieces?
Yes.
Hold these up. Here. All right, so Bea cut this one up into 4 pieces. Do they look even? Do they look equal? Here, hold these up. Hold that and hold this that way. How can we tell if they're equal? What do we have to do?
Overlap.
Overlap them. Let's see if we can overlap all 4 of these pieces. Do they overlap? Are these 4 equal pieces of one sandwich?
Yes.
Looks like it. Okay, those are equal. Okay, so we'll put those over here in the equal pile. Now let's see. Here's my piece that I cut up earlier. My 4 pieces. Do these look like equal pieces? Let's see if they'll overlap. Here's 3. Here's 1 more. Okay, so here's 1. There's another 1. They don't look very equal, do they? I see pieces hanging off all the edges. Like they're not the same size and the same shape all the way around. So that's an uneven pile, unequal pile. All right, you want to show that one?
I'm just going to put them in.
Okay, you can turn them around. Beatrice cut hers up into 4 rectangles. She was trying to get 4 equal pieces. She was trying really hard. I'm not sure if they quite overlap. I think a couple of them are not quite equal fourths. Almost. That one we're going to put in the not equal pile right here. And then finally, I cut mine up into some triangles. Let's see. Here's my 4 triangles. Do they look equal and even? If I overlap them, do they make 4 equal pieces? I think so. All right, so we're going to make a new anchor chart with equal and not equal sides. Bea, you want to take the equal side since you're on this side, and I'll take the not equal side? Those are the equal sides, and these are the not equal pieces. Okay, so we stuck all those pieces onto our anchor chart. Here's our equal triangles and our equal squares. And here's our not equal rectangles and our not equal whatever these are. Not really squares or rectangles or triangles. They're just kind of crazy squares. So these are 4 equal pieces of one whole sandwich. Do you know what that's called? It's called a fourth. There's 2 ways to show a fourth of something. One is with numbers and one is a word. A fourth with numbers looks like this. You can write 1 over 4 because it shows 1 piece out of a whole 4 pieces. Or you can show 1, oh, whoops, not 1 over 4 that way with a sideways. Or you can show the word fourth. Do you see what number word is inside of that word? The number 4, fourth. It's almost like when you have a counting word. It means one piece, one equal piece of 4 pieces. Now, I want to tell you about another word that means the same thing as 4. Thank you so much, Beatrice. All right. The word is
Quarter.
quarter. Have you heard of quarters before?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, you've heard of quarters. What's the other thing that you know about that's called a quarter? Do you know about quarters, Bee?
Yes.
What is it? What's a quarter?
Like the money quarter?
Like the money quarter, like a coin. And we know that a quarter is worth how many cents? 25 cents. Very good, kindergarten. So here is our hundreds chart. I want to show you something cool about the hundreds chart. If you count to 25, so let's highlight all of that first row, all that second row, half of the next row. That's to 25. That's 1/4 of 100. So let's look again. Now if we go from 25,
Can I do that?
can you hold this?
Yes.
Thank you. If we go from 25 up to 50, that's another 25. Here we go, through half of that row, and that second row, and that whole row. You see in black, that's 25 to 50. That's another 25, a quarter of 100.
25s.
Yes, they are both 25s. Hold this.
And it looks like 25 because this looks like, this right here, that black part that starts by the short line, the short line that's on top of the long lines, look just the same, but from the green lines, but the short line.
It's the opposite of the green line, isn't it?
It's below.
Yes. So if we start at 50, and we go up 25 more, we get to what number?
It's
See it? 75.
75.
3/4 is 75. And then to finish, if we have 4 quarters, we have 100. So a quarter can be 1/4 of something, or it can be a coin a quarter, which is 1/4 of a dollar, 1/4 of 100 cents. All right, if you count to 25 4 times, you get 100, you get $1. All right, at home you're going to practice one of the worksheets. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Or bye, kindergarten.